Hello, this is Lorena, and I'm back with another Duelings video. While I grind the other legendary duelists in the other world, I may as well talk about my perfectionist tendencies. I've uploaded a lot of videos, but I don't really think any of them display my perfectionist tendencies at all. You'll get rid of it. You are calling me a pest? Oh, you're gonna pay for that. I'm kicking your ass, dude. Of course, why wouldn't I do anything else? Your ass is going down, dude. Down. Anyway, I acknowledge that my videos aren't in the best of quality, my videos aren't top quality or anything, but, well, I know I can do better. It's just like, I can do better, but I'm not sure if right now is the best time for that. I also don't know if I can really prove it right now anyway, because I'm not really sure what I'm going to do in the future to begin with. I think I want to be a bit more legit and professional, but I don't think that's going to happen. Seems a bit unrealistic if you ask me. Okay. He's going to hate this. It's going to be hilarious. Anyway, I'm a perfectionist, and I wish my videos were better. I'm not really in the best state to actually pursue better right now, but I wish my videos were better and in higher quality. They're definitely not in the best quality because, well, my mind isn't exactly top quality right now. It's a chaotic mess. Maybe you should think twice about dueling me at level 10. A lot of people have made this mistake and none have survived. Oh great. Okay, here's the other one. I wasn't paying attention. I can't believe I forgot the other one, man. Is it Kaylin? I don't know. I somehow doubt it, but I mean, who else is there? I guess we'll see. Nothing but a worm, huh? A worm is more useful than you are, Primo. Oh my god. Okay, well, yeah, Kaylin is actually out here, but now Crow is out here too. A second legendary duelist just spawned randomly as soon as Primo went away. I guess Crow was taking out the trash. Okay. Well, I actually prefer this card. Okay, I'm gonna have to make sure I'm careful. Not too careful, really. I don't think he's that high of a level. Oh, that's a tuner. Does it do anything? Okay. Alright, I think I'll be fine. I think. What? What does that do? Oh, I see. I should have known. I should have known. I apparently did not, for some reason. Yeah, well. Again, I wish that my videos were in higher quality, but they just aren't. And I'm not really in a position to be improving my quality just yet. Mainly because, well, my brain is all over the place. I'm scattered, and I don't have much experience anyway. Okay. But when I look at these videos, I'm just like, I can do better. Why can't I stop thinking about it? It's kind of stupid because my channel isn't really supposed to be for views, but I put my all into everything and I go insane if I feel like I'm not. And I definitely do not feel like I am when it comes to these videos. You know, I think Crow's character design looks badass, but I do not want to get my ass kicked by Blackwing, so I better win. You guys can really tell that I've gotten my ass kicked by Blackwings before. Because I have, and it's annoying. Okay, Not the best card to summon. But, I mean, I have to do something to avoid losing. I mean, preferably no stupid mistakes like I made in one video recently. I still cannot believe that Trudge won that. I can't believe how dumb I was. Must have been doing some weird police brain. Okay, Okay, well, to be fair, it's not like it's not like I'm all here sometimes, you know? Okay. Alright. Sure. I need another monster, please. Okay, thanks. Thanks. When I think about making higher quality videos, I definitely do not think about doing that with Duel Links since, you know, I'm a casual. I'm not really ever going to be doing anything super impressive in these videos. In terms of dueling quality, you can definitely find better duelists elsewhere. So anyone that wants a good duelist can just go to another channel instead. But I'm definitely not the worst duelist out there. I would like to emphasize that. I'm just not the best out there. There are many, many players that are much better at playing this game than me. And the amount is significantly higher with the main game. And obviously, I lose to everyone that knows what they're doing, and I don't always know what I'm doing. I'm kind of weird sometimes. I'm sure you guys have noticed. I still do not know how losing to power is embarrassing. I don't know how. Okay. Just please. Please! Just let me deal with someone I would. Okay, what? Is there no one out here? Okay, that's interesting. I guess I recently took out some villas here. I don't remember doing that, but I must have done it. Okay. And I know someone is here in Zexa World, obviously. Okay, I remember seeing Quattro. Obviously, I wasn't entirely sure. My brain is out of it. You know, I picked auto-duel for that. Okay, I'll deal with it. You know, I really do not have to duel him a billion times. I don't. I can just duel Anna a billion times instead. Yeah, like that's much better. Alright, well, Quattro lost. So, who else wants to get destroyed? I mean, hopefully I win the next duel as well. There will be plenty of time to actually duel in a second. Anna's deck terrifies me, and I think it makes more sense. It makes complete sense to me. Okay. Is he it? Okay, no, 3's out as well. My understanding of the schedule is deeply flawed. I must admit that I convinced myself of some very strange shit. I think that I did this recently. Okay. That is questionable. Honestly, I would be surprised if I won. Okay, I lost. Okay, interesting. Not interesting, but sure. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna look at when the next story part is released. I think it's actually, I don't even know. I can get revenge later. I'm not even sure when I want it. Okay, so apparently, yeah, I'm missing event points. Okay, I do not know when I will obtain them. I'm going to try. I do not know how this will go, but hopefully well. Hopefully. Yes, hopefully indeed. And now after this, I will just duel Anna over and over. I have enough brain energy to duel her again. Wait, I have enough brain energy to record another video. Though it's probably obvious that I'm not entirely here. Though in this particular in this particular situation, it's actually because I'm a bit tired, but I don't want to go to bed just yet. But my initial reason for that was, well, the beeping. The beeping. Okay. I end my turn and she's going to destroy me. She's going to run me over. I like trains. And complete with even being run over. I don't really like going Anna that much, to be honest. Though I'd much rather duel her as opposed to Blair. I don't know why I've got this opinion. I can't. I cannot deal with this. The bricking is just so bad. Okay. I see. Yeah. Okay. Well, I do not see myself winning. Okay, that's interesting. Wow. Okay, actually, I won. I did not expect to. I didn't expect to. Like, I think there was like 200 life points there. Yeah. I am definitely surprised that I won. At least I'm not. Wait, hold on a second. Okay, well, I was definitely going into slight spoiler territory, but also, wow. Dude, I don't even think I watched those episodes. Well, I actually have them on my. Hold on. I am not awake enough for this conversation. I'm not awake enough for any conversation. That's probably bullshit. If I was having a conversation, I'd probably be pretty successful. Okay. Honestly, it depends on the conversation, though. What? Dude, this is overpowered. And then a bunch of other duelists are going to be like, no, it isn't. Yes, it is. I'm not really sure I can actually win an argument like this. But, okay, whatever. It's not like I'm trying to argue. Seriously? Okay, well. Now I have to duel her at the gate, the event gate. So that will conclude this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Which definitely isn't really going to be much, besides me just dueling Anna. All I'm going to do is duel Anna, and that's it. Man, why would I record when I'm sleep deprived? That isn't good content. Okay, well, I need to do something with these videos, so yeah, I guess. Dude, I never know who will actually like these, so I keep doing this anyway. Okay, for real, I'm out. I'll be back in a second. I've got another video coming out soon.